How to claim your tax refund from HMRC. Want to know if HMRC owes you money? If you've overpaid tax, you might be eligible for a refund. In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to check your tax status, claim your refund online, and get your money back fast. Step 1. Check if you have a P800 or simple assessment letter. If you've received a P800 tax calculation letter from HMRC, it means you've overpaid tax. Look for your unique P800 reference number on the letter. If you haven't received a letter but suspect an overpayment, check online at www.gov.uk/P800refund. Here's a real example of a tax refund notice from HMRC. This person overpaid tax and is owed £43.60. Let's break down how you can check if you're owed money and how to claim it in just a few minutes. Step 2. Go online to claim your refund. Visit www.gov.uk/P800refund and log in with your government gateway ID. If you don't have an account, create one. Enter your P800 reference number and national insurance number as stated in your letter. Step 3. Choose how you want to get paid. Select between a bank transfer processed in about 5 working days or a check, which takes longer. A bank transfer is recommended for a faster refund. Step 4. Wait for your refund. Once your claim is submitted, HMRC typically processes refunds within 5 working days if bank transfer is selected. Here is a bonus tip to avoid overpaying tax next year. Ensure HMRC has your correct tax code by checking it at www.gov.uk/check-income-tax, especially if you've changed jobs or had multiple income sources. And that's it. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.